right. So I want to show you guys how to use your science journal. So this is the page you're going to open up to, and then you hit the little globe looking thing here at the bottom, and it gives you a bunch of different tabs or buttons to hit. So if you are working on your light intensity, you can just drag this up or down. You're going to walk around in the area that you have decided and figure out, like, where is the sunniest spot. So I'm standing in the shade right now, and it makes sense then that the amount of light detected goes up when I go out into the sunshine, and I'm heading back into the shade, and so the light goes down. And then let's say I'm heading over to where there's like some reflective light from water, but the water's flat, so it's not really having an impact. A little bit there, a little spike. Okay. Oh, now this one I'm actually changing the angle of the phone. Oh, and the sun has just gone behind a cloud, and so we see the numbers going up and down and up and down and up and down. You can also record this if you need it for later purposes. You can see the red area is showing recording happening. So then let's say I need to have figured out where is my highest point and where is my lowest point, because now that I've stopped it, I can't actually see, but it makes a little chart for me of just the little section that I recorded. So I see sort of the highest point being at, what was that? Maximum, it says 24. Minimum, it says 7. So that's really helpful, because when I get into my, whoops, wrong document. Sorry. When I get into the, oh no, that was the right document. Oh, phooey, where did it go? Too many things are open. Yeah, I play Words with Friends. That's right. You knew I was cool like that. Here it is. Okay, so I can describe my lowest example of light as being, where's my button? 4 letters. I need a letter button. There we go. Okay, so I can describe my area being in the shade of maple tree, and then my digital reading would be 7K, which is the measurement that we use for light. And then my compass direction, we haven't talked about that yet, and my frequency of finding. I'm just trying to say, like, how much of the time was I at 7 as opposed to another number. So if we go back to the reading right here, it says the average was actually 14. So not very often was I in the 7. Or is the average just the number that's right in between 7 and 24? Ooh, it looks like it might be kind of more like that. So I might have to take a little bit more time to walk around and record more than the 8 seconds that I was looking at to determine what the right answer there is. So you can do the same thing with sound intensity. Let's see. Oh, my finger was over the microphone. Oh. Well, okay. It's not liking that one either. Let's see. Get back up in here. And error occurred. That's ambient light. Let's do that one. It's not liking that. Okay, well, let me show you the last one, which is compass, the last thing that I want you to do. So you are going to say the area from kind of where you are going to be doing most of your observation from, where was that area of light? And as you see, as I rotate my phone, and I'm rotating it flat, like I'm holding it like it's a pancake, it will tell me the different degrees that I am orienting the top of my phone to. So that gives me a chance to record where was I seeing that. And in fact, my 7 was at about this angle here, which is about 0. 0 and 360 degrees are sort of samesies. So I can say my compass heading was 0, which is another way for saying true north. And my frequency of finding, as I would say, was, I don't know, I maybe found 4 spots that had that amount of light. And then you do the same thing with volume, and you do the same thing, whoopsie-doopsie, the same thing with volume, and you do the same thing with pitch. And then you'll look for the examples that have the most, and then you'll look for what is the most frequent area. So most of my space is not actually in shade. Most of my space is in sun, so I would want to collect that information as well. All right, I hope that gives you a sense of what you need to be doing, and I look forward to talking to you soon.